the residences at Sheraton Al Marjan Island.
All right, welcome back, everyone. This is Hisham, and this is Sheraton Residences in Marjan Island. This project is the first residences by Sheraton in a GCC and the fifth in the world. We will be very quick. I will share with you what we have here. We are just getting the information. This project just launched today, 10th of February, and I will share with you quick information. If you think this is your project or you want to learn more about it, just send me a message. I will help you. This is a beachfront residences branded by Sheraton. As you see on this screen, it's a waterfront community near the Wynn Casino. And here, basically, we have two basements. We have the G, we have the M, and then we have 18 floor, and we have rooftop. Very nice amenities. There is more than 50 amenities in this project, and we can discover them one by one later. But the prices in this project starts from 2.4. There is studios, 1 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms only. The perfect investment in this project sounds for me a 2 bedroom. But I want you to understand what we have here. Per each floor, we have 2 studios, one view of the beach and one of the road. Similar thing, we have 3 bedrooms, 3 apartments, 2 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 2 bedroom with this view, and only 2 with this view. But we have a lot of options for the 2 bedrooms. For the 1 bedrooms, this project is not a U shape, straight. Every apartment has a view to the beach. If you are among the first people to jump on this project, you will get a very nice unit. Anything else you're interested or you want to learn about, like for example, when you can sell your property or what is the price per square feet in this project, we have all this information and we can share it with you. Now, the payment plan of this project is 60% during construction and only 40% on the handover. Very nice payment plan for investors and end users. Now, into this video, I will add some shots that have been prepared by the company, the construction company. I will add it to the video. You can have a look. If you're interested, as always, jump into the description, bring my phone number and give me a call. Thanks for your time. See you next time.